Mmm. Mm-hmm. Look how much cream there is. Hey everybody, so this is my last box from Universal Yums in my 12-month subscription, and this month it's Germany, which I'm excited to try, so let's dig right in. All right, first up are these peanut chips. Ooh, smells exactly like peanuts. Pretty much tastes like peanuts. I would give this a solid 7 out of 10. All right, up next are these ketchup fries. Ooh, it definitely smells like ketchup. I don't know if it tastes like ketchup or not. It reminds me of a veggie straw. It's good though. I'm just not sure if I'm getting the ketchup vibe from it. All right, I'm very excited about this one because I love anything with cheesecake in it. So let's see what this one's all about. Looks like a typical wafer cookie. Mmm. 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 Definitely getting that creamy, cheesy flavor. Mmm. I like this one a lot. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Look how much cream there is. Mmm. This one's really good. It's even got a little bit of like, almost like lemon or citrus flavor to it. This is amazing. This is a 10 out of 10. Mmm. So good. You guys, I honestly don't even want to try this one. I don't like marzipan at all, so I'm going to save this one and give it to my sister-in-law who absolutely loves marzipan. I would much rather give it to somebody who will enjoy it. Ooh, that last one was very, very sweet. I really had to give myself a minute to get over the sweetness, but okay, here's the last one. Salted caramel, so I'm hoping this has a little bit less sweetness to it. Okay. Woo. Definitely not as sweet. Texture's a little weird. Woo. Definitely tastes a lot like caramel. Texture is not like a caramel though. It's a little bit like dry, grainy almost. I don't know. I don't love the texture on this one. I think I'm probably gonna have to give it a 5. So, you know, all in all, not a bad box. What do you guys think? Should I get another box? Should I renew? Should I not renew? Let me know in the comments.